All right, on this next one, we don't have the tiles, it's just written out. It just says find each product. All we're going to do is multiply out these binomials and get our answer. Well, once again, 2 terms times 2 terms, so just use FOIL. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 1, positive 2x. Negative 3x times x. That'll give us minus 3x. Negative 3 times positive 1 is negative 3. Combine your like terms. I have positive 2x and negative 3x. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And that is our final answer. Now, just remember, they won't always write in that sneaky 1. So your final answer in your answer choices will probably say 2x squared just minus x minus 3. So be able to see both of those are correct, but this is how you're going to see it more than likely. Now, I want you to try number 2. Push pause on the video and then push play when you're ready to see it, okay? Just remember, 3x minus 4 squared just means 3x minus 4 times 3x minus 4. So work that out, push play when you're ready to see the answer. Okay, hopefully you push pause and finished. Here we go. Now we're going to do 3x times 3x, which is 9x squared. 3x times 4, which will give me it's a negative 4, so it's a negative 12x. Negative 4 times 3x, another negative 12x. Negative 4 times negative 4, which is positive 16. Combine our like terms. Negative 12x and negative 12x is negative 24x. So we get 9x squared minus 24x plus 16. All right, let's flip over to the back. I want you to try number 3. Push pause on the video until you've tried it. Push play when you're ready to see the answer. Push pause now. Alright, so on this one, it's already set up for us. I went straight into my multiply. X times x is x squared. X times 7, positive 7x. Negative 7 times x, negative 7x. Negative 7 times positive 7 is negative 49. Now, when we combine our like terms, we get 7x minus 7x. Well, that's going to be 0, right? So we get x squared plus 0x minus 49. But, do we need this 0 anymore? No, we don't. So we should just have x squared minus 49. Now, this is called a difference of squares. Whenever you have the same number and letter and nothing has changed, then except for one is positive and one is negative, you're always going to get the middle term to be 0. That's just a hint. This is our final answer. Now, I want us to look at number 4. You notice there's 2 terms here, there's 3 terms here. So I want you to think about how we'll do number 4. Okay, now, did you think take this term and multiply it by everything over there, and then take this term and multiply it by everything over there? So if you do that double distribute, you're still going to get to your answer. All right? So here we go. 2x times 3x squared will give me 6x, and there's 1 here and there's 2 here, so it's actually going to be 2 to the third. Got to use your product rule, right? And then 2x times 2x, 2 times 2 is 4. I have 1x there and I have 1 here, so that's going to be x squared. And then we've got to do 2x times negative 5. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, and there's 1x, so this still gets an x. Now I'll move on to my 3 term. 3 times 3x squared. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. It's positive, so it's positive 9x squared. 3 times 2x is going to be positive 6x. And then 3 times negative 5 is minus 15. Now, when you combine your like terms, see what's like terms, everything else is just going to come straight down. I have an x to the third here. I look across, I don't have any more x to the thirds. So it's still 6x to the third. Now, I look and I see I have a 4x squared and I have a 9x squared. So both of those have x squared, so we got to combine them. 4 plus 9 will give me 13. Let's check our x's. I've got a minus 10x right here, and I've got a plus 6x. So negative 10 plus 6 will give me negative 4, so negative 4x. And then minus 15, there's no other regular numbers left, so just minus 15. So this is our final answer. 6x to the third plus 13x squared minus 4x minus 15. So on this one, we had 4 different terms in there. I'm going to stop the video here. We'll have one more example.